Response to intervention is a simple idea that aligns directly with universal design for learning. It is set up that students would have all the support they need in a classroom or school setting to be successful in that environment.
RTI is very often represented by this traditional RTI triangle. The idea is very similar with tiers, but I like the other image a little bit better. I feel like it's a better representation of multi-tiered systems of support. You could imagine students standing on each level really getting the support that they need. Green represents our Tier 1 instruction or intervention. That's designed for 75 to 80% of our classroom. Those are things like high-quality classroom management plans, high-quality literacy instruction, really those things that are designed for academics and behavior to work for the majority of the class. Tier 2 interventions are designed for approximately 10 to 20% of the students where Tier 1 instruction is not quite enough for the level of support that they need. This could be something like pulling a small group to work on phonics, could be pulling a small group maybe to work with conflict resolution, or maybe a homework club to increase homework completion. Tier 3 interventions are designed for 3 to 5% of a traditional classroom population where the student needs one-on-one support to be successful. This could look like a functional behavior assessment and behavior intervention plan if it's a behavioral need, or possibly some one-on-one academic intervention for a student who has an academic need. Note that data from Tier 3 interventions may be used for identification for special education services, or during Tier 3 interventions, some students might be referred for testing for special education referral and qualification. Once a student qualifies for special ed, some folks call that Tier 4, some keep it with Tier 3. Response to intervention can be defined as the practice of providing high-quality instruction and interventions matched to student need, monitoring progress frequently to make decisions about changes in instruction or goals, and applying child response data to important educational decisions.
Created using Powtoon.